Everybody, it's Candy, aka Brown Eyed Girl 69. As you can see, it's raining, and it's been raining since this afternoon. This right now is mild in comparison to what it was doing. But I will say this, it is a lot cooler since this rain came in, and we're finally starting to experience some fall weather. In fact, right now it's about 76, 75, 76 degrees, and I'll tell you what, it feels amazing. In fact, I'm in leggings. I'm actually kind of chilly. I was hoping that some lightning would flash, thunder, whatever, but there has been a light show going on. But I guess it's not wanting to show itself now. So I'll just say check y'all later. Bye for now.